Convenience meets simplicity when it comes to paying your Spectrum bill. With a range of user-friendly options at your fingertips, from the My Spectrum app to in-store transactions, online payments, and even the timeless charm of mailing a check, settling your bill has never been easier or more flexible. Thankfully, Spectrum customers have plenty of simple and quick options for paying their bills. Download the app on your Android or iOS device, sign in with your username and password, go to the Billing tab, select Make Payment, enter payment information, amount, payment method, and date, and confirm the payment. Visit spectrum.net, sign in with your username and password, click on the Billing tab, select Make a Payment. Call 833-267-6094 to reach Spectrum's automated bill payment system and follow the instructions to pay with a checking account, debit card, or credit card. Use your bank's mobile app or website to set up an automatic transfer or bill payment with Spectrum. Visit a local Spectrum store, inform the employee that you want to pay your bill, and make the payment in person. Write a check for the full amount on your billing statement, make it out to Spectrum, include your account number on the check.